Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Webstaurant restaurant and food supply app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Webstaurant is a restaurant and food service supply app designed to help businesses browse, order, and manage all their commercial kitchen essentials in one place. It offers an extensive catalog of restaurant equipment, smallwares, food supplies, disposables, cleaning products, and commercial appliances. The app allows users to check real-time stock availability, compare prices, place bulk orders, and track shipments directly. It's available on both iOS and Android, making procurement accessible for restaurant owners, cafes, caterers, and food service professionals. The app's main feature is its streamlined ordering system. Users can quickly find products through powerful search filters, save items to lists, reorder past purchases, and monitor deliveries. Webstaurant also provides detailed product descriptions, customer reviews, and competitive bulk pricing to help businesses make informed purchasing decisions. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate its wide product selection, quick reordering options, and reliable shipment tracking. The competitive pricing and frequent discounts help restaurants reduce costs, and the app's catalog is especially useful for new businesses setting up commercial kitchens. However, there are some drawbacks. Shipping fees can be high, especially for heavy or commercial-grade items. Some users report delays in shipping during peak seasons or occasional product availability issues. In addition, with such a large catalog, navigating categories may feel overwhelming for new users. In summary, the Webstaurant app may be worth using if you want a centralized, cost-effective way to order restaurant supplies, compare commercial equipment options, and track your business's essential purchases. However, if you prefer local suppliers with faster delivery or need hands-on inspection of equipment before buying, it might not be the best fit for you. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.